You might have gone through the timetable. So we will be taking up basic lab on first day, basic electronics lab on first day. And on second day, we will be conducting digital electronics lab or DCLD lab. On third day, we'll be having advanced electronics lab. On fourth day, we will be having OPAM lab or LIC lab. And last day is devoted to the hardware microcontroller, we can say, using Tinkercad simulator. So this course is being run in association with Touch Techno Delhi. So the most of the technical sessions will be conducted by Mr. Devinder Dhawan, who is technical manager at Touch Techno Delhi, and he is an expert in conducting experiments using these simulators. So I'm sure that these 5 days will be going to very useful for all the participants. So before we start with technical proceedings of the STC, so let me briefly introduce about our department, our NITR Chandigarh, to the participants who are joining first time, so that information might be useful for them. And all the participants who have done various STCs earlier, so they already know about the NITR. And after that introduction of NITR, so I would like to have a brief introduction of all the participants, and then we'll start with our technical proceedings. So it will take early 10 minutes more maybe. So let me share my screen. So dear participants, this slide shows various glimpses of NITR Chandigarh. Various facilities at NITR Chandigarh. Will slightly go through some of the facilities one by one. So NITR Chandigarh was established in 1967, and at that time it was started with the objective of technical teacher training, and teacher targeted were polytechnic teachers. And in 2003, this institute was renamed as National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, Chandigarh. And the domain of this institute then increased from only polytechnic to engineering college teachers as well as towards the research activity. And in 2012, so this institute was pioneer in conducting the ICT-based short-term programs like we are conducting today. So training programs with the introduction of ICT started way back in 2012 by our present director, Professor S.S. Patnaik. So he started these ICT trainings by using the Google Hangouts and other free. So this was one of this institute was established in 1967, and it is one of the 4 national institutes established by Government of India at that time for addressing the concern of training the technical teachers. And it is now reckoned as a resource institute for the technical education system, providing services to its clientele covering faculty and staff of technical institutions, officials of directorate, boards of technical education, central and state government departments, industry, students from technical institutes, community, and trainees from overseas. So you can see from this paragraph that clientele of NITR Chandigarh is quite wide. So it is not devoted only to faculty or staff of institution. It also deals with the industry and different government and private departments as well as community in general. And the major activities of the NITR Chandigarh falls in these domains. First is educational and training program like we are conducting today. And second major activity is curriculum development. Then next is instruction material development and research and development, extension services, consultancy in technical education and technical areas. Also, this institute has been recognized as a research center by Punjab University Chandigarh in 2006 as well as by Punjab Technical University Jalandhar in 2005 for pursuing research work leading to the degree of PhD. So if we talk of PhD programs, then there are these three different types of PhD programs which are being offered. So QIP programs are offered for both Polytechnic and Engineering College teachers, and in addition to QIP PhD programs, so regular PhD is also offered under the affiliation with Punjab Technical University Jalandhar as well as Punjab University Chandigarh. Several ME programs are being offered by NITER Chandigarh. So these programs are offered in regular as well as modular mode. In electronics, we are offering ME in Electronics and Communication Engineering in regular and modular mode, in addition to standard ECE ME. So from this session, we are also starting ECE ME in specialization with artificial intelligence. So these are the various programs run by Electronics Department. So other departments are also running ME programs in both modular as well as regular mode. So as I have just told that these are the various domains of NITER Chandigarh, where NITER Chandigarh actively explores different clientele system, serves a different clientele system. So educational and training programs, curriculum development, instruction material development, research and development, consultancy and extension services. So these are the major areas. And you can see from this slide, so in the last 3 years, NITER Chandigarh was actively involved in curriculum development. So these figures show the activities of the last 3 years. In 18-19, we designed 15 curriculum for different subjects and belonging to different trades. So there is a full-fledged curriculum development department named as CDC Curriculum Development Center, so which is taking lead in developing the curriculum for various engineering and polytechnic institutions along with the other departments. Instruction material development is also a major activity at NITER Chandigarh. So you can see that the number of video films and the print material generated during the last 3 years. So there are around 1900 video films generated in last 3 years and around 300 print materials generated. So in addition to online training or the short-term training programs conducted by NITER Chandigarh through NITER Chandigarh platform, so our faculty is also involved in conducting SWAYAM programs. So these are some of the programs which are being offered by the NITER faculty through the SWAYAM. So this is NITER Chandigarh is also National Resource Center, NRC in electronics and electrical communication, and under this also several programs are run by NITER Chandigarh through SWAYAM. Research and development is also a growing area at NITER Chandigarh. So several sponsored research projects has been taken by the faculty of the department in different areas during the last 3 years. So you can go see from these slides that the research and development projects involved to different domains. So research development is also resulting in a good number of publications. So faculty is involved in writing research papers also. So these figures show that the faculty is getting recognition at international and national level. Consultancy and extension services include various domains. So these are the major domains under consultancy and extension services which the NITER Chandigarh targets. So skill training, student skill training, recruitment, sport for lab development, in addition to sport for the apex bodies like AICTE, UGC for their activities. NITER Chandigarh is also involved in the training of some foreign officials also. So NITER has a very good state-of-the-art facilities in labs, classrooms, as well as hostels. So I will not go through the facilities of other departments. So briefly, I will show you what we are having in ECE. So ECE has very latest equipment and the state-of-the-art softwares for different subjects. So we have a well-established communication lab, VLSI lab, ESP and SOT computing lab, embedded system lab. We have very good antenna lab, which has facilities up to 20 gigahertz. In addition to this, we also have research lab for the PhD scholars. And ECE department is involved in training in different subjects related to the ECE domain. So these are the major areas where we also provide long-term training in addition to the short-term courses. So the advanced ESP, 3G and 4G technologies, VLSI design, antenna design, and FPGA. So these are the major areas where training is provided by NITR Chandigarh. So this is a common facility, ETV, Education Television Center. So NITR has very good studio for recording of the video lectures, video films. And in addition to main studio, so we are also having a number of small studios which are named like Golden Jubilee Hall or something like that. So we have multiple facilities where we can record the lectures, or we can conduct programs through ICT mode through those centers also. So hostel facilities are also very good at NITR Chandigarh. So we have many different hostels, so different hostels for boys and girls, with having a good capacity for the residents. And we also have gyms here, so an open gym and as well as indoor gym facility. So we have 2 guest houses at NITR. So the guest house 2 is a recent one which has been developed recently, so which are also open for various visitors of the institute. So these are glimpses of the guest rooms of the guest houses. So NITR Chandigarh also has this particular YouTube channel, NITR Chandigarh Technology Enabled Learning NCTEL, which houses videos related to different programs run by the NITR Chandigarh. So you can see that during the last few years, the channel was very popular among the learners. So we can see the number of views. So this channel has more than 13 million views by the participants. So you can also subscribe to this channel for referring to the earlier recorded lectures of NITR Chandigarh activities. So with this brief introduction, I now going towards the start of the STC. So first of all, I would like to have brief introduction of the participants which are joining this participant, so that we know each other, because we are going to spend one full week together. So it will be better to deeply know each other. So just a minute, please. So I will be naming participants one by one. So I request the participants to provide their brief introduction, like name, place of work, research area, and the expectation from this STC. So first, I am calling the participants Shri A.S. Kirti Naini. You can unmute your mic and please provide your brief introduction. So, may I request A.S. Kirti Naini to please unmute and give your brief introduction. Okay, so if he is not available, then I request the next participant, Shri Dinesh Venkatachalam, to unmute and please give your brief introduction. Next, Dr. J. Rangarajan.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Can you unmute your video also, please?
Yes. So I think now you can see me, sir.
Yes, sir. Welcome to
I'm Dr. J. Rangarajan. I'm working as professor in VC department, having more than 25 years of experience. Since this is a virtual lab and most of the time as a teaching faculty, so we are concentrated only on theory, conducting theory, but since it is very useful, not only for this pandemic situation, but definitely it will help and motivate our students so that we can able to conduct even lab and we can disseminate whatever the information we gain here to the student community. That is why I am interested. And as you told, already I have joined many courses and got certificate. based upon my interest and find that what will be the program conducted by NITTR. It seems to be very good and really useful. So based on my interest, I joined here. So definitely, I will make use of this to the maximum extent, possible extent. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. You are welcome. So next now I call Mr. Jagdev Kaleka. Sir, are you able to hear me, Mr. Jagdev Kaleka? Yes, Dinesh sir, you are I think now unmuted. So you can please give your brief introduction. If possible, you can switch on your video also. Dinesh sir, you can give your brief introduction now. Neha, can you check? There is some problem in unmuting of the participants. Like Jagdev sir has also written that he's not able to unmute himself. Can you unmute? Okay, so that means participants has to unmute you. Okay, meantime, I think we can call next participant, Ms. Meenakshi Gupta. Can you unmute yourself and give your brief introduction?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Myself Meenakshi Gupta. I am from GCT Jammu. I am working as lab supervisor here. That I have no specialization in any field. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You are welcome. The next participant, Ms. Pratibha Varghese.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. So if possible, you can also unmute your video.
Is it now visible, sir?
Yes, ma'am, you are visible and audible.
Okay, okay, sir. Actually, I am from Kerala. I'm working as an assistant professor in under the Kerala Technical University in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. I am as well as I am a PhD scholar. Also, my interest area is digital image processing. As we have, as due to this COVID pandemic situation, we are conducting the classes in the online mode and labs also in the online mode. So in order to do this lab experiments, I am attending this course in online mode,
Okay.
especially these digital labs and advanced microcontroller lab, because I am taking that lab in our college.
Okay. Welcome, ma'am, to the STC.
Thank you, sir.
Shri Raman Chandra Reddy.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible as well as visible.
Good morning to all the participants and Balwinder, sir. Myself, I am working as assistant professor at St. Joseph's College of Engineering, Chennai, sir. I'm having more than 12 years of teaching experience. I would like to attend this virtual lab session because of I'm not aware of multisim. Actually, I'm using through online, sir, but I would like to know in depth about the multisim as well as the Tinkercad. So that's what I joined in this session. As well as I attended 3 programs which you conducted by you, sir, which is very helpful for me regarding to my academics as well as for students also. My area of interest, signal processing and optical communication, sir. Thank you for giving the opportunity to us, sir. Okay.
Welcome, sir. Welcome to the STC.
Thank you.
So next, Miss Richa Jadhav.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. So if possible, you can also unmute.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Richa Yadav. I am working as assistant professor in Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women, Delhi. It is first ever technical university in India. And I have more than 10 years of work experience, and my area of specialization in research are digital signal processing and VLSI design, mixed mode signal designs. And I am really looking forward to these next few days in which I think the fruitful interactions between the experts and participants will immensely help in the academic